It's October 30th, 2024, 6:56 p.m. right now, Eastern Time. Happy early Halloween, guys. I'm going to spook you guys with this video. No face cam today. I'll do face cam in my next video. Hopefully one day soon. But I am coming up with a video because I do think that there are a trade idea. And it's a name that we have traded last year, about approximately about a year and about 10 months ago, actually, about 11 months ago. I have brought this up in one of my videos, and you know, it kind of went through 10 months of chop, and now it's perfectly set up. Where we go, I'm not sure, but I'm bringing this to everybody's attention. It's a Duolingo, DUOL, and this is a weekly chart. We can see at the stock is above all the day moving averages. We had a pretty crazy shakeout over here, and it pretty much shook everybody out that was participating in the stock. If anybody were to set their loss about here, they would have been out of the stock. And the stock has been going up on okay volume. It's been consolidating on fairly low volume. It actually went up about 100%, 104% in about 8 weeks. And the consolidation has been really tight, which is about 8.13%. So it went up 100% and consolidated for 8% for 4 weeks. I think it's ready for the stock to give the stock another go. It did kind of squat it today, which is not a good sign. But I still think it's worth buying it just because how tightly the consolidation has been. And earnings is coming up in about 7 days, a week from today, and a week from now. And I do suggest a small position just because earnings is coming up. But after earnings, if the earnings do be doing pretty well and the sales and numbers are looking good, I suggest adding to this position. Another name that's been going crazy is Reddit. Reddit has been, you know, breaking to all-time high and putting in a substantial move, 51%. It's also something we should keep an eye out. And it's pretty hard to buy this one because they kind of just gap up on a big earnings run. And that's pretty much it for because Reddit has been winning in earnings, these kind of technology apps website. That's why I'm thinking Duolingo probably will be doing the same. It seems like it's a good good couple quarters for tech, and I do think that's probably why this thing spiked up today is due to Reddit's earnings report. So earnings report on November 6th, next Wednesday. I believe it's after market close. I have to double check that with me. And yeah, that's the idea for now. And that's pretty much it. Everything else has been pretty dog. If you look at the indexes, they're still within this range, especially IWM. We still haven't broke out into the previous range of we're at the previous range of consolidation. We haven't broke out into all-time high yet. We're about $20 away from it, and that could happen pretty quickly, especially when especially when the election is a week from today. The election will probably affect this market quite, pretty greatly, with Kamala she's having ideas of presenting people the capital gain tax. Unreal capital gain tax, which is that if before you realize your capital gains on like a long-term holding, you get taxed on that, which is absolutely absurd. If any president were to have that kind of idea, I highly doubt she'll be elected. But political opinions aside, if she does get elected, then we could be seeing some turmoil in the market. And I'm not sure what the Trump's policy is, but I do know that unrealized gain tax is something that's very unsustainable, and just pure stupidity is probably the way I will put it. So we'll have to see how it works. Like I said, we're not predicting, we're just reacting to everything that's happening in the world and making trades based off that. So yeah, for this month, for the upcoming trade idea I have is Duolingo. Probably anywhere here, I think it's a good buy as long as you keep it small because earnings is coming up. And like I said, add as the stock is going up with earnings. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. And I'll make a video. Maybe the next video will be much sooner than this video relative to the previous one. It's been like 130 days, I believe, since I made a video. And that's because I've been busy. Okay. I've been busy trading, been busy doing other stuff, and YouTube is not very high on my priority. But thank you guys for following me throughout these years and still watching my videos. I'll continue to make video even if there's only one person watching. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.